Hey everybody, welcome to the Living Nexus. Today we're having a little smash burger party at my place. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the sauce. It's similar to the In-N-Out sauce, just a little bit of a twist. So stick around, hopefully you guys enjoy this and learn something new. Here we go. Alright guys, so here's how we're going to start. First, we're going to use some mayo. And let's go with, we got a lot of people coming over, so 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tablespoons. Some sweet relish. Go with about 1 to 2.5 tablespoons. Next, we're going to do some ketchup. Go with 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoons. Sugar. About 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, we're going to add about, we're going to eyeball this, a little bit of this pickle juice. That gives it some acidity. Add a little bit of salt. Pepper. And finally some cayenne. You can skip this if you don't like it spicy. Cool. Now mix to combine. Alright, and finally, we're gonna add a little bit of white wine vinegar, just to bump up the acidity a little bit. That's great. That tastes fantastic. Alright guys, so we're out here. We're going to do the bacon and some hot dogs first. Get those out of the way. Get the cast iron all heated up and oiled up nice so that when we put the burgers on there, we can cook kind of in that bacon fat. It's gonna be good. Here we go. Open this up. Oh, it's raining. Of course it is. Bacon's ready to go, so we're going to take these off. All right, we're gonna throw some buns on, so add some color to this. Been crazy. Oh. No napkin. Thor, don't make a mess. I appreciate it. Thor, cut. All right, so we're gonna see how these are looking before we take them off. That's what we're looking for. Some color on there, some crisp. Perfect. So here are the burgers, the patties, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we gotta do that again. What did I call it the first time?
Your balls.
There are 2 ounces balls.
Right.
Your balls of Wagyu.
80-20.
All right, so here we have our 2-ounce balls of 80-20, and I didn't season it. We're just gonna leave it like this, and we're just gonna throw it on the grill, smash it. We're gonna be using parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to our burger presser. All right, here we go. Throw a couple of these on. Make sure you space them out. start with 8. Next, what you want to do is you want to put parchment paper on there. Then you either use one of these and just press hard. Take that off. Perfect. Nice easy pressure. Push that a bit more. Perfect. Look at that. Cool, perfect. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt on each one, not too much, these are really thin. And we only season one side. Add some pepper. Alright, when you start seeing the bubble, that's how you know they're almost ready to flip. Alright, I think this one's starting to be ready to be flipped, so let's just check it. Nice. Perfect. Perfect, and my assistant will now add some cheese. Just kidding, she's my wife. Oh wait, that's not my wife. So we let them kind of just melt. They'll be ready in like probably a minute, minute and a half maximum. And that's it. That's all she wrote. On. Alright, so now you can see that these are totally ready. We'll just throw them on the buns, and then I'll show you how I like to do my burger. Alright, so I'm making a double for the first one, yeah? Look at that.
No.
Look at that. Alright guys, we're back in the house because it started raining. So we're going to assemble this 3x3. Start with the sauce. Get a little bit of this. Yes. And then start with the burger. Always put salt on your tomatoes. Some pickles. Got some bacon. Can't forget the onions. And then I'll top this guy off with some lettuce. Look at the size of that. Smash it. Come on, look at that. Look at that. I was dripping all over the place. Here we go. I know it's all over my face. Paper towel, please. So, that tastes amazing. Absolutely amazing. You guys have to try this. You guys gotta make this at home and enjoy it. My name is Garo. This is The Living Nexus. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Go out there and cook.
Yeah.